Welcome to WeCounsel Referral Opportunities. We're excited that you've chosen to join and look forward to setting you up for success. This quick tutorial will walk you through the components of getting set up and being able to get paid. Your portal may have different colors or a different logo than what you see here, but the functions explained in this video will still apply. First, we provide guides here in the bottom corner. This question mark contains step-by-step guided walkthroughs on basic setup and navigation. Setting up your public profile is key for getting patient referrals. To do this, go to Settings. You can click the License tab to confirm your license has been added and the information is correct. Next, click Public Profile. This may say Directory Entry for some users. You'll have to have a valid license and specialty added to your profile in order for an organization to add you to their directory for patient referrals. In order for a patient to request a session from you, you'll have to have availability populated on your schedule. Go to Manage Schedule, hover over Schedule, and click Available Time. The important thing to note with available time is that the start time is fixed for a patient when requesting a session. So you want to break available time into increments based on your average session duration. This drop-down populates with your session type durations. This means that a block from 2 to 3 o'clock would be broken into 30-minute increments, so one would start at 2 and one would start at 2:30. When a patient clicked on that slot, they would be selecting a 2 o'clock or a 2:30 start time. Patients go to the directory of their organization and choose a provider. They will see your available time and be able to click the slot that works for them. You'll be notified of the request in the portal and by email. You can accept or decline. Accepting will let you confirm or change the session type. Declining will allow you to notify the patient why. The patient will be notified of the confirmation and receive email and text reminders. You'll have the ability to securely communicate with them via Message Center anytime. When you message the patient, they will be notified by email that you sent them a message and they can log in to view it securely. The same will apply if they message you. Now to get paid. To get paid, you'll have to have a free Stripe account set up through your portal. Stripe is a billing solution and payments for your sessions will be deposited into that Stripe account, which will put it into your bank account. It's quick and easy to set up. Go to Settings and click Billing. From there, you can either sign up for a new Stripe account or log into an account you already have. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation messages from Stripe to complete the setup. If you have any questions about Stripe, you should direct those questions to Stripe's support team. If you have a WeCounsel subscription and are also a part of an opportunity, or if you're in more than one opportunity, you will see a Resources button in the top of your portal. Hovering over this will show you the different organization modes you have. Clicking this will open up the features of that organization, like their session types and documents when applicable. When doing work for a particular organization, it's preferable to operate in that org mode. For detailed tutorials and information about your portal, utilize the Support Center, which is full of FAQs, general information about telehealth, and information about troubleshooting video sessions. If you have any additional questions about how to utilize the telehealth portal, you can reach out to success@wecounsel.com.